Hello, in this Python programming video, we are going to synchronize our threads. So one of the things we are going to do is get rid of the exit flag. We won't need that at all. So this name counter, that's all good. Thread in itself. All of this method is fine. We're all good with that. In the run method, we are going to change things up slightly. That is fine. We're still going to be calling it like so, but we just need to do this. We should do thread lock dot acquire, and then we need to release it at the end as well. And we can get rid of this one. So thread lock dot release, like so. And now the time function is going to slightly change because we don't have the exit flag anymore. And let's have a look. So we got the counter, we're happy with that. We don't need the exit method anymore because we're going to be handling that another way, and everything else is all good to go. So let's keep going down. Here we need to create a thread lock. So we're going to do thread lock like so. And we're going to make it equal to threading dot lock, and now we're going to do threads equals, so this is just going to be essentially our array that we'll be adding our threads to. And now, not array, list. Very similar to arrays. And here we are creating the thread, which this isn't changing, that's fine. Still starting the threads, but the difference is we're not joining them now, not exactly like this. What we'll do is first do threads dot append, so we'll actually add these threads to the list that we created. Copy that for thread 2, and now we need to, so for every thread in there, we are going to wait for all the threads to complete. So this is just again a more dynamic way. If we had 20 threads, we wouldn't have to have as much code as we did before. It's more efficient. So again, that's what we've all been building up towards. And if I run it, see if we get any errors. No errors. So the threads are running and they're working, so which is fantastic. And they have now finished. So that's it for this tutorial. We synchronized the threads. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next awesome Python programming video.